Welcome to Computer Vision Stream channel, and today we will see how to create Deepstream pipelines that are stable and could reconnect to RTSP stream and could be run even before RTSP stream is available. Let's see an example. Here we have a pipeline that tries to reconnect to our stream, which is not available, and it will continue to reconnect with some timeout. And when the stream will become available after a couple of attempts, we see that our pipeline starts and we observe that it processes streams correctly. We can stop RTSP camera or we can have problems with it, and then we can start the stream again. And after a couple of seconds, we will continue to see pipeline working. How to achieve this? So first, in order to test RTSP stream, we need to create RTSP. For that, there is Media MTX project, which is previously was called simple RTSP server, and we can use the default Media MTX configuration file that you can find on the Media MTX documentation reference page to be able to push RTSP streams to Media MTX and read RTSP streams or other types of streams from it. Another service that we will need is FFmpeg service that will take a video file and push this video file to Media MTX. That will make RTSP stream available with this address. Afterwards, when you are running your Media MTX service, you can always run FFmpeg service that will start streaming. And when you see this message, press Q to stop. That means that the stream is active. Next, in the Deepstream pipeline, we use nvidia URI source bin, and we provide the URI to stream. Next, we will have to set up two parameters: RTSP reconnect attempts -1, so it will be able to reconnect with infinite amount of attempts, and RTSP reconnect interval in seconds. Here I put 3 seconds. So when the RTSP stream is not available, nvidia URI source bin will not generate end of stream signal, and it will continue to try to reconnect to this RTSP stream. A very nice feature to make video analysis stable. Here in this use case, we had already a stream that was running, and we will try to stop it. Pipeline stop, and we will restart it. Pipeline will. And in the logs of the pipeline, you will be able to see how many attempts nvidia URI source been made to reconnect to RTSP pipeline, and you can take it into account downtime of the pipeline. Here, nvidia URI source bin struggled a little bit, and after 8 attempts, it was able to reconnect. The pipeline was working. If you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe to the channel and put a like on the video. If you have any questions about Deepstream, don't hesitate to write down in the comments or connect me through LinkedIn or YouTube. And I will see you in the next episode.